Hello students and welcome back to another lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be continuing with Unit 4, ASEAN and Vietnam, Lesson 2, Language. This lesson will cover pronunciation, on elisions, vocabulary that related to this unit's topic. Then we'll learn grammar about gerunds. Finally, for the consolidation part, I will wrap up the knowledge that you have learned in this lesson, as well as give you some homework. But first, let's get started with a warm-up activity, which is matching. In this activity, you will see the transcription of the pronunciation of some words. Your mission is to match the pronunciation to the real words. Are you ready? Now you will have 2 minutes to look at the pronunciation and the real word. Your time starts now. The time is up. Now let's check the answer together. For the first pair, we have tonight. Secondly, it is police. Next, we'll have history. And then every. Finally, potato. Have you got it all right? Excellent. Now, please tell me, what is the similarity between these words? As you can see, we don't pronounce the vowels in these words. And we'll learn more about this in the next activity. Look at the slide. We don't pronounce history or every. In fact, we will skip the vowel as we say history, every. Please repeat after me. History. Great. Now, every. Excellent. This phenomenon is called elision of vowels. Now, let's practice some more. So, elision is the omission of sounds or syllables in fast, informal speech. Weak vowels, such as the schwa sound, can be omitted before l, n, or r. As a result, the words have one less syllable than the spelling suggests. Please repeat after me. History. 2. Different. 3. Tonight. 4. Correct. 5. Police. And 6. Dictionary. Excellent. Did you notice the elision of the vowels in the words in the second column? Great. Now for the next activity. Listen and repeat. Please pay attention to the words with elision. Number 1. Let's find the correct answer. Repeat. Great. Number 2. We also provide mobile library services in rural areas. Excellent. Number 3. My family will move to a different country. Great. Number 4. Please bring your dictionary to the history class. Great job. Let's say it one more time. Correct. Library. Different. Dictionary. History. Excellent. Now let's move on to the vocabulary. Please match the words and phrases with their meanings. Take a look at the words from 1 to 4, as well as the meaning from A to D. You will have 1 minute to match your words and the meanings. Your 1 minute starts now. The time is up. Let's check the answer together. 1. Cultural exchange. The answer is B. The act of sharing traditions and knowledge with people from different countries. 2. Current issues. The answer is C. Important things that are happening now. 3. Contributions. It's a match with D. Something that you give or do to make something successful. And finally, 4. Leadership skills. Match with A. The abilities to organize other people to reach a common goal. How many have you got right? Excellent. Now, for task 2, complete the sentences using the word and phrases in task 1. You will have 1 minute to complete this task. Your 1 minute starts now. The time is up. Now let's check the answer together. 1. Communicating with people and managing teamwork well are important. Leadership skills. 2. ASEAN has made a major contribution to peace in the region. 3. A cultural exchange is the best way for young people to understand other countries' values and ideas. And 4. The aim of this meeting is to discuss current issues such as climate change and pollution. Please correct your answer. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now, we'll be learning about gerunds as subjects and objects in grammar part. Remember, a gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and functions as a noun. It can be used as the subject of a sentence, a complement after the verb be, an object after some verbs such as like, enjoy, mind, involve, suggest, etc., or after prepositions. Now you will have 1 minute to read the remember box carefully as well as read the examples. Your 1 minute starts now. The time is up. Now let's move on to the exercises. For the first task, please rewrite the following sentences using gerunds. You will have 1 minute to complete this task. The time is up. Now let's check the answer together. Number 1. Applying for ASEAN scholarships online is more convenient for students. 2. My sister's hobby is listening to music in her free time. 3. Do you mind helping me translate the documents for the workshop? 4. They succeeded in starting a youth program in Southeast Asia. And 5. Participating in the conference last year was an unforgettable experience for Maria. Please correct your answer. Great job. Now let's move on to task 2. In task 2, you will make sentences about one of your friends. using gerunds. For example, you enjoy traveling around the region. Your dream job is working for the AYVP. Now, you will have 1 minute to make sentences using gerunds. The time is up. And that is also the end of our lesson. Now let's wrap up. In today's lesson, you have identified and pronounced words with elisions of vowels in isolation and in sentences. You can also understand and use words and phrases related to ASEAN. Finally, you can use gerunds as subjects and objects. For your homework, please do exercises in the workbook and prepare for Lesson 3, Unit 4. Thank you so much for your participation, and I'll see you next time.